So we are going to talk about map function in JavaScript. Map function is a higher order function in JavaScript, which basically takes another function as its parameter, and then using the return value of that function, it can manipulate the value of an array or an object. So let's try this simple example here, which will take one very simple array, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we will declare one function. Let's say we want to double the value of this array and return, and we have to pass one parameter here. Let's say we take n, and then n multiplied by 2, and then this function we can pass as parameter in the map function. So it would be arrow dot, we use map notation, dot notation for map function, and then here we can pass this function name as value. Let's store this map function in one and the variable. Let's say we call it result. You can call it whatever you want. Now if we log this result, now if we log this result, yeah, it doubles all the value of this array. So we can do actually this, let's call this doubling the value of an array with map function, and we can do exactly the same thing to triple the value of this array. Let's do this. Triple the value of an array. Triple. Here it would be 3, and then we rename this one triple, and here we pass this function as parameter, and then call this as result2, and then we log this also result2 here. If we run this one, so now you can see that the value of this array is tripled using the same exact method here. We can actually do many different things like summation of all the value and making average of all the values, and then also we can do rearrange the order of the value. So this is how map function work. Reduce and filter, they have a little bit different structure. Filter normally filter out the value from the array or object. Let's say you want to only print out all the odd number from the array or even number. Yeah, in that case, in filter function, you have to declare two things in the parameter field. One is one callback function exactly in the same way, and then the second parameter would be the initial target, which one you want to actually target, the index of an array. So you can start from the initial 0 index, or you can target in the middle, or you can target anyone. So this is how actually higher order function works in JavaScript. All right.